In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add an email address to your GitHub account. Whether you're managing multiple emails or simply need to update your contact information, following these steps will ensure you stay connected. So let's dive right in. First, you'll want to head over to the GitHub dashboard. Once you're there, direct your attention to the top right corner of the screen. Here, you'll find an icon representing your profile. It's usually a small circle that might contain your profile picture or just a simple icon, depending on how you've set up your account. Give it a click, and a drop-down menu will appear before you. From this menu, you're going to select Settings. At this point, you are likely familiar with the GitHub layout, but if not, don't worry. The Settings area is where you make changes to your account configuration, and today, we're focusing on email addresses. Once you've clicked on Settings, you'll notice a menu on the left-hand side of your screen, called the left pane. Here, you want to look for the section labeled Emails. It might not be selected by default, so if you find yourself in any other section, simply click on Emails. Now that you're in the Emails section, you'll see a list of any email addresses currently associated with your GitHub account. To add a new email address, keep an eye out for the option that says Add Email Address. It's usually placed prominently, so you can easily find it. When you click Add Email Address, a text box will appear. This is your cue to type in the new email address that you want to associate with your GitHub account. Make sure to double-check the spelling of the email before moving on, as any typos could impede your ability to receive important notifications or updates. Once you've typed in the correct email address, there's a button labeled Add right next to the text box. Clicking this will complete the process. After you've clicked Add, GitHub might prompt you to verify the new email address by sending you a confirmation email. If that happens, make sure to check your inbox a few moments after adding your email to complete the verification process. And that's it! You've successfully added a new email address to your GitHub account. Keeping your account updated with the correct contact information is crucial for receiving important notifications and streamlining your workflow. If this process was helpful, make sure to keep these steps handy for any future updates. Thanks for tuning in, and